Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how can we download attendance after the Teams meeting. So far, we have learned how can we download the attendance during the ongoing meeting. But now I'm going to discuss how we can download the attendance after the meeting. So first step is that you have to click on me space, you have to click on three dots. Then you have to just select Insights option. Once you click on Insights option, after that you have to open the Teams general channel and click on this plus symbol to add the tab. Once you click on plus symbol, then you have to again find Insights option to add insights in that particular channel. Click on Add to include Insight tab in the Teams and then click on Save option. Once you include the Insights tab in your Teams, you can keep a track of digital engagement of the students by clicking on Insights option. After you click on Insights option, you will get the option of digital engagement where you will get various activities. You can find all whether the students were active in various months or weeks, and also you will find the attendance. You have to choose the third option, meeting option, to find the attendance. Not only this, you will be able to track the communications, whether a particular student is communicating during the meetings or not. And also you will be able to get the assignments track of the students by Insight option. So for the attendance, you have to click on the meetings option, the third option. Once you click on the meeting option, it will open the option bar wherein you can choose all the students and you can choose all activities and you can choose the timeline. You can choose meetings, communication, files, assignments. These four things you can keep a track. If you want to take the report of attendance, you can click on meetings and then you can click on last 7 days, last month, today, yesterday. You can choose from this third option. Once you click on choose the particular option, like I have uh, chosen last 7 days, it will just display the whole list of students with the dates and the attendance. Here you can see the attendance marked on these 2 days, and then after that you can click on the three dots on the top of the screen and click on export to Excel. Once you click on export to Excel, you can get your file in the downloads, and from there you can open. You can see this file, the report of last 7 days. You can check not only 7 days, you can check the whole month's track. On daily basis also you can check. I hope this will be very useful for you all. Thank you so much.